As we all know, there are 7 continents in the world. One among them is Europe. Here, this green color part is Europe continent. Its area is about 10,180,000 kilometers square, and its population, according to census of 2011, its population is about 739,165,030. And there are 58 countries in Europe. Firstly, we'll talk about Albania. This is the national flag of Albania. This is the national emblem of Albania. It adopted its flag in 27th April 1992. And here you can see the currency of Albania is lei, and he was the prime minister in 1992. His name was Theophil Stylianides, and he was the founder of Orthodox Church in Albania. This is the Church of Albania, and these are the stamps used in Albania to post letters. Next comes Bermuda. Over here you can see Bermuda is located in North Atlantic Ocean, and Albania is situated here, this green color part. Bermuda, this is the national flag of Bermuda, and its currency is cents. It's very interesting to know about Bermuda. Bermuda is an island in North Atlantic Ocean. In Bermuda Island, there existed a triangle where whichever and whatever ships entered that, they get disappeared suddenly. No one knows where the ships has gone or what happened to the people. Even if an aeroplane is passing through that sea, even that aeroplane gets disappeared. Next, we come to France. France adopted its flag in 1794 on 15th February. Its currency is francs, and there's a famous place in France known as Paris. Hasmonization in 17th century rebuilt this Paris. Now Srinidhi will continue.
As my friend explained about some of the countries in European continent, let me explain you one of the most important country in Europe continent, that is Italy. Before that, let me explain you what is displayed in every country. These are the flags of each country and national emblems. Every country is having their own currencies, and also they are given different names like francs, cents, and different types of places. They are also having many important places which are famous for. This helps them to develop their tourist places, and also they are having different stamps used in every country. Here's Italy. Its flag was adopted in 19th June 1946. Its emblem, this is the emblem, and here's the currency of Italian country. Lira is its currency. This country is mostly it was known as Italian Republic too. Due to much improvement in its industrialization, it has some degradation in its environment. To improve this, it has faced many problems. After improvement in this environmental problems, its rank is about 84th in the world for sustainable development. It is also mainly known for its culture, heritage and arts in this country. It is also famous for its food cuisine. That is most famous is pasta, noodles, etc. So these are most of the countries which are found in Italy, which are found in European continent. Now Akhil is going to explain.
This is a country, Turkey, and they adopted the flag on 5th June 1935, and this is their national emblem, and their currency is large, and these are some coins of their country and stamp used there. Next we go on to Ukraine, and here this flag was adopted on 20th January 1992, and their currency is Harvan, and this is their emblem, and these are some coins and postal stamp used over there. It's a United Kingdom. Its flag was adopted on 1st January 1801, and then its currency is pounds. This is the national emblem, and the capital city of UK is London. And you can see the London Bridge over here. And these are some coins and stamps used here. This country, Yugoslavia, they adopted their flag on 1940, and this is their emblem. Their currency is dinars, and these are some coins of coins and stamps of Yugoslavia. Next we will go on to North America. In this continent, over 24 million square kilometers area is over here, is covered here. and 50 crores people, 53 crore people live over here, and population density here is 22.9 per square unit. And in this continent there are 43 countries, and the time zone of this continent is UTC -10. Let's go on to Canada. Canada, you can see it is over here, Canada, and its flag is over here, and they adopted their flag on 15th February 1965, and their capital is Ottawa City, and their currency is dollars, and you can see the emblem. Next it's Mexico. Mexico adopted their flag on 16th September 1968. This is their emblem, and their currency is pesos, and some of the coins and postal stamps used over there. And the next is USA. You all know about USA. Its flag adopted on 4th July 1960. This is their national emblem. Their currency is dollars, and these are some of the coins and stamps used over here. This is the Statue of Liberty over in New York. Next, Ishwar going to